Ever wondered why your cat purrs? In the next few seconds, you'll uncover some mind-blowing feline facts. Cats have been companions to humans for nearly 9,500 years. Their brains are 90% similar to ours. Each cat's nose print is unique, much like a human fingerprint. Did you know cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees? Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping, perfecting the art of rest. A group of cats is called a clouder. A cat's purr can potentially heal bones and tissues. Most cats have 5 toes on their front paws, but only 4 on their back. The world's oldest known cat lived to be 38 years old. Fascinated by these facts? Hit the like button for more surprising insights into the animal kingdom.